Okay, I'm going to do battle with this wind for a little bit longer. I'm now set up at 300 yards with my 03A4. The wind that I'm dealing with today is not only gusting from 10 to 15 miles an hour, it's also swirling. Sometimes it's coming from my 12 o'clock, sometimes from my 6, sometimes from my 3 or 9. So I have to take that into consideration with each shot. A 15 mile an hour gust from this distance is going to blow my bullet off path more than 10 inches. So I have to account for that with each and every shot. I'm going to set up here and we'll do some shooting and see how close I can judge it. Well, first shot's downrange, and of course I can't see it in the scope. So what I'm going to do is fire 4 more, so I have a 5-shot group. I'll go downrange then, and we'll see what we have. Okay, that's 5. Let's go take a look. Okay, not a bad group. Little over a minute of angle here from 300 yards, but everything is high and to the left, so I'm going to go back and make a sight adjustment, and we'll try this again. Okay, I'm back on the firing line. I've made my sight adjustment. Let's give this another try. Okay, there was 5 more. They all felt pretty good and they all looked pretty good through my 2.5 power scope. Let's go down and take a look and see how these look. Okay, we're getting there. We got 3 of them that broke the 10 ring. Managed to pull a couple high back up here into the 9 ring. I didn't see those go. I think I'm going to give it one more 5-shot group. I'm not going to touch a thing. I'm just going to concentrate on my shooting a little bit more this time and see if I can close up this group. Okay, we'll check the target one more time. Okay, part of fighting any battle is knowing when to declare victory, and that's what I'm going to call this. Out of those last 5 shots, I got 4 of them in the 10 ring, and the wind caught me on 1 and pulled it out into the 9. That's looking pretty good. I think on a better day, all 5 of them would have been in there, and I don't think I'm going to touch the sights again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comments section. And other than that, have a good day and good shooting. Bye-bye.